Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike here in the BFH garage. Finally, it's been a long time, but we finally had another Jeep come into one of the junkyards. It's a 99 TJ. I looked up the VIN. It doesn't have a whole lot of what I'm particularly looking for, but it is in excellent shape. It shows that it has doors and a hard top. And this notice just came out, but I'm sure I'm going to get there and that stuff's going to be all gone just because somebody always gets the early word on that, and that stuff tends to disappear. But this came in less than 15 minutes ago. I had enough time to load up my tools, and I'm on the way. So we're going to get there and see what we get. Well, coming up to it, the doors are gone, but the hard top's still there. I'm going to see what kind of shape that's in. Yeah, let's get taking a look. It's pretty busy here, and I don't want to take a chance on missing anything. So quick look at this hard top. It's tan, which is not as desirable. It's actually not in bad shape for the most part until you see a crack here. You see a crack here. I'm not in the business of repairing hard tops to sell them, so I'm gonna let that go and start looking at some other things. So one thing I do notice, the windshield frame is in great condition. Those are always desirable. The tailgate is in great condition. Those are always desirable. It does have the Dana 35 axle. I've confirmed that. Steering wheel's already gone. A bunch of stuff's already gone, but grill's still there. That's in, oh, well, it was in great shape, so I saw that right there. I'm gonna pass on this because I have enough grills hanging on my wall. I don't need another, so I'm gonna see if I can't get the windshield frame off, the tailgate off, and I might call it a day. Something I'd expect, these windshield Torx bolts, every one of them came out no problems. That is highly unusual. I just left the pick and pull, and as expected, it ended up being a mediocre pick. I get there, my intent is the hard doors, the hard top, and the grill. Anything else is bonus. I get there, the doors are already gone, which tells me somebody in the yard takes to sell those because the doors were already removed and then placed in front of the Jeep. So somebody already pulled those for good reason. Otherwise, they would just leave them on, but whatever. The hard top ended up being damaged. It was cracked in several places. And then upon further inspection, that passenger side door area, that had a big break in it as well. So the hard top was pretty much worthless at that point. The grill had dings in it, so I wasn't able to get that. But looking around, everything else was stock as is. There were no other additional parts that I could use other than the windshield frame and the tailgate. I always have people asking for those. Both of those in great shape. The problem with those, trying to get them out using those with those torque fasteners becomes a nightmare. However, in this case here, every one of the windshield Torx bolts came out without issue. That's unbelievable. I mean, that's virtually unheard of. Usually end up breaking one. Those all came out. I was able to get the windshield frame out without issue, so I went ahead and claimed that. And then the tailgate, the tub side Torx fasteners, they are mounted to the backside with a bracket, and they always put a lot of a Loctite type fastener on there. I've never gotten one of those out without heat, which in the junkyard you can't bring a torch. So I tried my Torx bit on it. It ended up breaking. Those weren't moving, so I just cut the hinges in half. I'll get the rest of the hinge off at home when I can either apply some heat or drill them out. I want to make sure that I maintain the integrity of the tailgate. So that's all I picked up today. Like I said, a mediocre pick, but life's good.